Deputy Majority Leader Munir Arbison Jr., Deputy Majority Leader Patrick Michael Vargas, Deputy Speaker Leader and Vice Chair Jam Baronda, Deputy Majority Leader Jose Bong Tebes Jr., Vice Chair Jose Alvaro Ordanes, Vice Chair Arthur Celeste, Vice Chair Dante Garcia, Vice Chair Dixit Tina Pancho, Vice Chair
Ako po ang nag-request na para i-defer. Ayun. So the air is now clear. I'd like to...
Pero iba na ngayon.
The Kalusugan food truck delivers hot meals to fooded across the archipelago, ensuring that Filipinos in remote areas receive timely and accessible services. The Office of the Vice President remains steadfast in its mission to serve,